Did you know that 100,000 hours is the average lifespan of an LED sign? In today's world, businesses are embracing sustainability more than ever. One impactful way to contribute to a greener planet is by choosing LED digital signs. LED signs are extremely energy efficient, consuming up to 80% less electricity than traditional neon or incandescent signs. This significant reduction in power usage not only lowers operational costs, but also lessens the environmental impact. With an average lifespan exceeding 100,000 hours, LED signs outlast their traditional counterparts. Fewer replacements means less waste, aligning with sustainable business practices. Many components of LED signs are recyclable, supporting a circular economy and reducing landfill waste. Unlike neon signs that contain hazardous materials like mercury, LED signs are free from toxic substances, making them safer for both the environment and people. Advanced LED technology allows for precise brightness control, minimizing light pollution and preserving the night sky. Choosing LED digital signs is more than a business decision. It's a commitment to sustainability and a brighter future for all. Ready to make an eco-friendly impact? Visit Next LED Signs today.